So let's talk about supplements for women. A lot of people ask me, what supplements should I be taking, especially if I'm over the age of 40? How can I keep myself healthy for the long run? So the first one I will say is fish oil. Fish oil is great because it is anti-inflammatory. It helps support your brain, but also your moods. Because it's anti-inflammatory, it's also going to support your lipid levels, which is awesome. And overall is just going to decrease all inflammation in your body. So I would definitely give that one a try. The next one I would suggest B vitamins. So you can get a complex. It's helpful to know what your levels of B12 are, for example, but generally people tend to be pretty low. So B vitamins give us energy, motivation. They help a lot of the biochemical pathways in our body. So I highly recommend getting on a B complex if you're not, especially if you are more plant-based, because most of our B vitamins come from meat sources. The next one I would suggest would be vitamin D. We're outside getting our sunshine, but even here in sunny Florida, a lot of people are deficient in D. And that's mostly because when you absorb it through your skin, it needs to be absorbed in your belly. Most of us don't show our bellies while we're outside. So it's good to supplement. I would say generally about 5,000 IUs a day, but certainly check your levels and check with your provider to make sure that's true. Vitamin D supports your immune system. So that's really, really helpful if you're around people, if you're traveling, but just overall to prevent things like autoimmunity. Also going to support your bones, which is great as we're aging. Magnesium is involved in 350 biochemical pathways in our body. We deplete magnesium super easily if we're stressed. So we need that extra support with magnesium. There's different types depending on if you need more support for your muscles or headaches or bowel movements. So you can certainly reach out to us about those different types. But getting magnesium on board is going to help you de-stress, relax, have less headache, have less muscle tension, and also be able to go to the bathroom. So those are all good things. A couple other ones that people always ask me about that really depends on the situation would be things like calcium. I know a lot of women feel like they should take calcium to support their bones, but the issue is if you're taking too much calcium, it can add to plaques in your arteries. So you want to make sure that you're getting less than 500 milligrams per day. And remember, you can get calcium from your food as well. Doing exercise to support your bones is just as good, and taking that vitamin D also. The last one that people ask me about is probiotics. And again, it depends on the situation. So if you're super bloated all the time, having a lot of gas, feeling uncomfortable, sometimes probiotics can actually make that worse because you're feeding the bugs in your gut. And if your bugs are imbalanced, then you're feeding an imbalanced situation. So certainly see a provider, check out what's going on in your gut before you just start taking probiotics or even prebiotics, which is going to be the food for those bugs as well. So those are my few tips. Start on the fish oil, the B vitamins, the magnesium, the vitamin D, and you'll be feeling a lot better.
Supplement quality is so important. The industry is generally unregulated, meaning you can buy a supplement that has 0% of what it says is in it. So we really care about quality, making sure it's third-party tested. We know exactly what is in it, so you're not wasting your money. So we've put a link in the description that you can find in order to order quality supplements that are third-party tested, and 10% off is included. So go ahead and click that link in the description so you can benefit your overall health.